to observe the onion cell, we have to use this microscope. Yes, for the experiment of onion cell, some materials are required. At first, dissection box. Without this dissection box, we cannot complete our this experiment. Okay, here is, this one is our dropper. Yes, and scissor, and this is our wash glass, and the next, this is our needle. Yes, this is our cover slip. It is also need. And the next, this is our slide here. And chemicals, this is our saffron chemical. Okay. And this chemical also used while doing experiment. Yes. And it is used to make object visible clearly. And this is our glycerin. And this glycerin is used to make this onion peel moist. And second one is, this is our forceps. With the help of this forceps, we have to take out this a transparent peel with the help of this forceps. Yes. Then take out the transparent peel of onion. Like here. And you have to cut it into small pieces. And keep into this stained saffron in this slide here, down slide. Okay, keep it clean. And the next, you have to add some drop of glycerin in the center of this slide. This is our glycerin. You can add with the help of dropper. Okay. Okay, the next, cover slip. Okay, this you have to keep this transparent onion peel. Here is no brush. Okay, we have to take out with the help of brush. Where? Yes, like this over. Yes, with the help of this, yes, we can take out this. While slide, okay, not roll like this. And the next, with the help of this cover slip, now we are going to cover it. Okay. If the air is entered in this, and our experiment will be success. There is no air bubble. In the bubble. Okay. And here you have to cover like this over. At first, there is 2 fingers and hold it, and with the help of this needle, and you will slow down, right? Like this. Okay. Sit. And after observe. Okay.
Ramson, belum mati goreng. Start.